Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the crypto refills feature on the Binance app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPad Pro. So let's jump into it. First, open up the Binance app, then go and switch to Binance Pro if you didn't already. To switch to Binance Pro, you should tap on your profile image, and here at this section you will see the Binance Pro switch, and just switch to it. It's very easy, it's free, so yeah, I would recommend using it because it has a lot more features in it. So when you open up the Binance Pro homepage, you should swipe down slowly, and it's going to open up this secret marketplace section. And here, if you swipe a little bit down at the trends section, you will see the crypto refills feature. And if you tap on it, here you can choose your country. Then you can search for specific products, or you can filter the products. They have e-commerce, games, mobile top-ups and data, entertainment, streaming, other products and reports. Or you can just surf their offerings and find anything. They have quite a lot of gift cards. They have Vodafone, Orange. These are phone companies in Romania. Probably it's going to show you different offers based on the country that you are in. And then there are a lot of video game gift cards: Fortnite, Minecraft, PUBG, World of Warcraft, Mobile Legends, Roblox even. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can choose the one that you are interested in and use your cryptos to purchase. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.